Hello, this is our weekly market alert video for the week ended June 4th, 2021. And I have to tell you that I am in a semi-good mood. I just found out that my wife is going to be going to my daughter's baby shower, which is in July, and I'm not invited. And I'm like, wait a minute, you're going all the way to New York, you guys are gonna have this big party, and I don't get to go? No, you don't. I'm like, but I want to go. Well, you can't. So I'm going to be stuck here working. But anyway, this is not about that. This is about the markets and what's going on. And this week we got some new data with regard to the jobs numbers, and they came in not too hot, not too cold, just right. 540,000 new jobs, less than expected, but still pretty strong number compared to the last number, which was 260,000. So it looks like the number of people that are going back to work is accelerating. And that, of course, is a good sign. And we continue to be optimistic about where we go from here with regard to the stock market and the economy. A lot of growth still ahead of us. Even though, you may be thinking we have inflation, as we've said, we believe that it's transitory. And I got a cute cartoon from a viewer who said it was the Federal Reserve looking at this lady with a grocery cart attached to a balloon called inflation, and it's like taking her off into the sky. And Powell, the chairman of the Fed, is saying, don't worry, it's transitory. So it looks like even the cartoonists are on top of that transitory word. But be that as it may, we do believe that the current inflation is transitory, will abate as supply comes on, and growth will continue. The other thing that should help also is that the overseas economies are behind us with vaccines and getting past the pandemic. And so as they come online, we anticipate that there'll be further growth as well. So if you need more evidence, there's a study that was done by the Nautilus group, a research firm. And what they did was they looked at what happens if the first 5 months of a year have the S&P, the stock market, goes up by more than 10%. What happens in the 12 months after that? That situation, according to their research, has happened 10 times in the past. And in all 10 of them, a year later, the stock market, the S&P, was up more than 11%. So that looks good for us as well. So we anticipate that the growth will continue, the economy will continue to recover, more people will go back to work, and so the stock market should be the beneficiary of that, and therefore our investments as well. Now again, we have not discounted the concern that I think many of you have that inflation could come in a big way, and we agree with that. If we continue to borrow as we are, we believe it will be inflationary and potentially in a very bad way, and could cause some significant market corrections in the future. We don't see that coming, at least for this year, if not the first half of next year. So right now, there are some storm clouds, but they're off in the distance. Right now, enjoy the sunshine and enjoy your second childhood without parental supervision. I'm going to be here working while my family is having fun. Apparently, they hired a bartender for this. Do baby showers have bartenders? Who knew? I said, can I be the bartender? No, you cannot come to the party. So I'll be here home alone working on finances and keeping the ship going and all that kind of stuff. But in the meantime, thank you for watching this video. We hope you are enjoying the beginning of summer and that all is well with you, and we will talk soon.